Welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will look at disbursement of loans. The company, as per its policy, can decide on the amount of the loan, method of recovery, the number of installments to recover the loan. Disbursement of loan is when the agreed loan amount is paid to the employee's account and is available for use. To disburse a loan, on the home page, click Transactions. Go to Spend Loan Management. Click Salary Loans and Advances. Click Disburse Loans under Workflow. Click New to record a fresh loan. Enter the employee name. Select the loan name from the drop-down. The loans which you have configured in the Loan Master will appear here. Enter the following details: the loan amount. Enter the loan description details. Enter the disbursement date. The opening balance will be auto-fetched from the amount entered in the loan amount. Repayment start date, that is from when the repayment should commence. Select the recovery type, which is yearly, half-yearly, monthly or quarterly. Select the interest type from the drop-down. You have ad hoc, bank format, fixed, no interest, reducing balance. Ad hoc is where the interest rate can be changed whenever required. Bank format, the interest will be based on the bank interest rates. Fixed interest, the interest will remain the same throughout the loan period. No interest, it is a zero interest loan where you are not required to pay any interest. Reducing balance, the reducing interest rate is calculated on the diminishing principal amount. Every month when you pay your EMI, your principal loan amount decreases and interest will be calculated based on the reduced principal amount. Enter the following: the rate of interest, number of installments, number of months paid. Select the round off value. Here we will be selecting to the nearest 1 rupee. If perquisite must be calculated, check the box yes. Check the box is external loan in case the loan repayment needs to be paid to an external agency. Click repayment schedule. The repayment schedule will be displayed. You can update the repayment details if required. Click Save and your loan disbursement is completed. Please note, in the case of FFS, that is Final Settlement Employees, consolidated perk will be calculated only after the final settlement process is completed. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.